hair. Yeah, only Mama cutting his hair.
Why?
Because we don't have money to go to the barber shop.
I'm not moving.
So this is how I cut his hair. I just cleaning it. And let's put this one. Sure. Uh-oh.
My eye can roll now.
You know what?
My eye can roll like that. Like a ring.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving my head.
Okay. Yep, this is how we cut his hair every other 2 months. So we're not going to the barber shop because we don't have, they're expensive, they're $20 just for a minute haircut. So I just cut his hair by myself. And I know a little bit, not much. I started cutting his hair when he was 2 years old, so I used to it. It's itchy. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Okay. Put this up.
Oh, my nose.
Not your nose. Okay, we're not done yet. Okay, let me finish it.
Okay, go.
Why are you gonna take it off? It's cold. You're not cold. Let me get my. You're not cold. Okay, just put it here. Let me see. Talk to our viewers. We need to talk to them.
They watch with the bigger.
Oh.
My song.
Okay, just sing a song.
There
for them. I'm started because I'm so many. There is a way, See, I wish somebody can cut my hair too because it's too long already. So
yeah, my daddy can cut it too fast.
his daddy don't want to cut my hair. So
Why?
I don't know why. He wants a long hair. That's why. He's not moving, so I can look. It's not right. Let me cut this now. So this is how we do it
Yeah.
because he is too malikot.
I'm not too. I'm fine.
Oh, you're little.
Look at that.
So there he is. And we're gonna use the scissors just to trim this side because I don't want his hair like I want like a little boy.
Why? I want AJ to be my baby boy. AJ, baby boy.
Mm-hmm. Mapahag dyan yun. Mapahag dyan yung mataaron. Sige, linukan kayo na eh. Okay na siya. See, nagyan kayo. Di man dukin mo. Hindi naman ito siya mahirap. Lupitan kasi. Wait, gonna cut your ears. And we'll not cut it if you be still. Okay, that is it. Hadlok maguntingan ang kalinga ba? So here it is. That's what make him
Handsome.
make him look handsome. He's a handsome. Wait a minute. This other side is too much. So this one, too much. Here it is. So now, yeah, it's got trim now. Okay, we're done. We're good. I guess it's gonna be. Let me go. Oh, got fireworks. Wow. Where it came from?
What's on video?
Yeah.
Oh, it came from woods.
It came from the woods.
Yeah, I ever hear that.
Oh, you hear that? See? It's so it's got style. So that's it. That's how I cut his hair. I just trim it every other month.
Every day.
No. Hi guys.
Hi,
Thank you for
guys, for watching.
watching. Bye.
Bye, kids.
Bye kids.
And love you.
Oh.